Okay, I'm gonna make a cauliflower seasoned with just some nice seasonings, just regular seasoning that you use every day. Also, there's gonna be some green onions and some fresh garlic in it. So I'm gonna put it on the pan and let it cook down a little bit, and then I'll serve it to you. This is really fast to make. And I mean, you can make it crunchier, you know, if you want it more crunchy. I did steam it just a little bit so it's not as hard. So. We'll let that warm up a little bit.
It's like this part here.
We also want you to know that there are doggy bags available. You will not go home empty. You can share with others at home, or you could stand there and dangle it at their face and say, I'm sorry, but you're not getting none of mine. You missed it. You should have been there.
Okay, so I'm just going to put it in the pan now. It'll give off a nice flavor too. A lot of people don't like, you know, cauliflower too much, but I'm really starting to like it a lot. A lot of people don't like, you know, cauliflower too much, but I'm really starting to like it a lot.
Deborah, do you do the cauliflower rice? Like, Jessica was telling me about how she's been trying to do the cauliflower instead of rice.
Yeah, you can make mashed potatoes out of it, cauliflower mash.
Oh my God.
There's so much you can do with vegetables.
Yeah, I want to take some of this chicken to my son. See what he tastes of. I know.
Just a little bit, doesn't need a whole lot.
On the bone, right? Like it's not a bone. Like, where's the bristle at?
Someone that's
You can suck on the stick, you know, and just pretend that it's a bone.
I mean, if you have the mind, yeah. Oh, man. But I mean, you still would have been, that's a nice picture coming in. Yeah, he has Facebook. So you do a Facebook Live, it's not like recorded.